The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hi children, feeling comfortable at home? Yes? Dear children, you have to cope up with the situation and act according to it. Okay? Most of you have prepared well and did well in the examination. If you have any doubt, call me and clarify it. Okay? Now, let us continue with our first chapter, Area. In the last class, we have learned to construct a triangle having equal to the area of a quadrilateral. Right? Now, we can construct a triangle of the same area like any polygon using the same method we have studied in the last class. Okay. What is a polygon, children? Do you remember? Yes, a figure with more than 3 sides is a polygon, right? What is a regular polygon? A polygon with equal sides and equal angles is called a regular polygon, right? Okay, now I am going to draw a pentagon and draw a triangle of the same area. Look at the board. Watch carefully while I am drawing. Here I have taken my own measurement. Base 5 cm. Draw a line of length 5 cm. Mark the endpoints as A and B. Keeping protractron A and mark 70 degree. Draw a line of length 3 cm. Mark it as E. 3 cm. -70°. Keeping protractron E and mark 140°. Keeping protractron A and mark 140°. Draw a line of length 3 centimeter. Mark it as D. 3 centimeter. On 40 degree. Again, keeping protractor on B. And mark it as 120 degree. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Draw a line of length 2 centimeter. Mark it as C. 2 centimeter. (120 degree). Joining C and D. Join C and D. What is this, children? It is a pentagon having 5 sides, right? By joining B and D, we got a quadrilateral and triangle. Again, joining A and D. Again, joining A and D. We got 3 triangles. Mark it as first, second triangle, third triangle. Then we have to construct a triangle of the same area of third triangle. For that, we will change the top right vertex to the base. Right. First, extend the base. Then draw a parallel line through C. For that, hold the scale in a perpendicular position. Keep the set square like this. Slowly slide the set square till it reaches C. Then draw a parallel line through C till it reaches base. Mark it as F. Joining D and F. we got a triangle BDF. Here triangle BDC and triangle BDF have the same area. In the previous classes you have already studied, right? In the same way we will change the top left vertex E to the base. For that, first extend the base. For that, hold the scale in a perpendicular position. Keep the set square like this. Slowly slide the set square till it reaches E. Draw a pattern through E till it reaches the base. Mark it as G. Joining G and D. We got a triangle ADG. Here triangle ADG and triangle ADE have the same area. So area of pentagon equal area of triangle ADG plus area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BDF. That is area of pentagon equal area of a large triangle GFD. Here area of pentagon ABCDE equal to area of triangle ADG plus area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BDF. That is area of pentagon ABCDE equal to area of large triangle GFD. Okay. So children, is it clear now? So we understood to construct a pentagon and triangle of the same area. This construction practice at home. It is very important. Note down your homework. The question is, draw a regular pentagon and then a triangle of the same area. This is all for today. Thank you.